Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by Unice Hair, and they sent me this BODYWAVE 4x4 textured so it's a 4x4 BODYWAVE textured wig, and I think this is a 24 inches, but I'm going to go ahead and add some layers to it just because, yeah, I'm gonna be practicing layers all the time. So whenever I have a BODYWAVE wig, I try my best to do actual like layers and body curls. But yeah, welcome back to the channel. That's just the little intro as to sponsor the video. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys how I pretty much layer the hair, and I pretty much just hold the hair from an angle, as you can see, and then just cut it down slightly. The more layers you put in your hair, the more fluffier it will be and the more body it will have. If you're a person that you're not afraid to cut your wigs, like, by all means go ahead and chop that baby up, because the more you chop it up, the more layers you will have, the more body the wig will have. So after pretty much chopping it up, I'm going to go ahead and add some serum in it. You could add whatever serum you want. This is just some olive oil from, I think, Horus. And I just added it to give it a little bit of shine. I didn't really need to do that. The less oil you use, the better it is, because oils tend to weigh down the hair and makes the hair look flat, and you really don't want it to look flat. So I kind of put too much in it, but don't even worry about it. Yeah, I'm going to let you guys just watch as I curl the hair. And for me, curling the hair is just, it's not a thing that I perfected. I pretty much have to practice still, but for the most part, I kind of have the techniques. It's just curling away from the face. So yeah, just curl away from the face. Part your hair in two sections, curl one side away from the face, other side away from the face. And that's literally all I did for curling this hair. Cap, they sent me the wig, of course. They sent me some lashes, they sent me some comb and some earrings, which looks like this. But yeah, no, I'm just going to be showing you guys the wig and what it looks like. Girl, I'm so hot and the AC is on, I don't know why. So this is the wig that they sent to me. I have to reorder some stuff, I don't know why. So this is the wig. I went ahead and I did some curls. I'm sure you guys saw it, and I did go ahead and layer it. I'm not going to stop layering my hair until I actually get it. So yeah, you're going to be tired of seeing layers until it's like to the T. Now I'm basically just going to be cutting out the combs and also the extra lace from the back of the hair. Wow, that was not curled, but that's fine. I'm going to cut off the back part of the lace because we don't need that. Okay, so I do not have any more even tinted lace spray. I actually need to get more, but it's sold out everywhere. And I'm starting to think that it's you guys, because yeah. Oh no, don't stop buy things. Can you guys not bite no more? Like, I'm trying to slay my hair and you guys are buying all stuff. Anyways, I'm just going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Cool Tan, since I don't have the lace spray, and that's what I'm going to be using for my wig. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Once again, I would like to thank Unice here for sponsoring this video. This is a easy wig to put on. As long as you could put a 1-2 curls in it, I feel like you'll be fine. You don't need to do no gluing, no pressures on your hair, no tension is on your edges. It's literally just gel and the wig and a little bit of hairspray. And I feel like it's a beginner friendly wig. Like, it's easy to put on, no hassle or tussle. But yeah, once again, thank you Unice Hair for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.